Hey guys, welcome to Proformance Unlimited. Today for Dynasty, we happen to have one of our 7.3 liter Godzilla motors. This happens to be the 675 horsepower edition. The customer did some minor upgrades to the build. He went with the InnoV8 stack system on here with the tall stacks. This thing looks absolutely amazing. He also chose to go with the Indy Power Products oiling system and front runner kit. So he went with the all power steering AC serpentine kit, the I'll call it the rear sump style oil pan and the relocated oil pan, pump. If you're interested in doing one of these builds or have something custom done by us, feel free to give us a call at 800-267-3940. Let's take you over done right.
Hey Jordan, I got you 36 Ford Sedan engine on a dyno. Happens to be our 7.3 Godzilla with the stack injection. Gonna fire this up, we're gonna pull to 6,400. We already made your horsepower at 55, but I'd like to see if it climbs some more. We'll see, who knows. Horsepower. I think you'd be happy, but here's the biggest one. 651 foot-pounds of torque. Man, that's a beast. Hey, thanks for your business.